What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Boo! What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Rickey Jones Jr. back again for another video. And first of all, shout out to LSU. Go Tigers! Okay, it is college football, and for those that don't know, I love college football. That's what I will be doing on tomorrow, watching football at the football, okay? And then on Sunday, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, this is not a commercial ever. I felt the need to say it. LSU will defeat FSU. No need to say who they are, but LSU, go Tigers, are going to beat FSU. But nonetheless, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we did a giveaway. We talked about doing a giveaway about the journals when they came in and all that good stuff. So I have not done a video since then because I've been waiting on the journals to come in. The wait is no longer. The journals are in, ladies and gentlemen. I was so happy to get the message. Was it email? It was an email that said your journals are there. Your journals are outside. Okay. Say no more. But nonetheless, we are here, and I am here to announce the giveaway, right? Because we talked about doing a giveaway, and I forgot what I said on the video, but I know what I had in mind when I said all that I did say on that video. And the outcome of what was said is that everybody that commented that they wanted a book on that video, which you all got my thumbs up and all that good stuff, so I already know who you were. So, you know, hey, you have to be there to get there, right? You will get a journal. So all I need for you to do is send me the address that you want me to send it to, right? And you will get the journal, okay? And I'll also send a special note, okay? I'm gonna send a note to each and every person that receives that commented on that video and that will receive your journal. But nonetheless, again, I'm also excited about them. I even did a podcast episode about journaling, about hearing from God. But essentially, boom shakalaka, I ordered 10. And so even if you want to purchase and maybe you don't want to go through Amazon, holla at your boy. We can figure that out and work that out. But again, what is he to you today? This is it's a 6 month. Yeah. No, excuse me, 6 month, 60-day journal that you will have recorded conversations with God. There is five parts, 5 questions, or excuse me, actually 4 questions that you answer, and then you write what God says. And it's a beautiful, 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 beautiful experience that you'll always be able to go back to thanks to the written capability of a journal, knowing where those things are and where you can find them going forward. So I'm excited for you to receive the What Is He to You Today journal. Shouts out to you for being bold enough to write in the comment section. That's all it takes, right? Other people watched it, but then you being the ones that will receive the free copy. You were the ones that said, hey, I do. You spoke up. And it's something beautiful about those that speak, right? If you don't speak, you can't create the experience, existence, the life, the desires that you also want, right? And, you know, as it says, a closed mouth can't get fed, okay? Take that for what it means. It has various different connotations. However, in this case, it was about the journal. So with that being said, we are loving people. And I even want to say thank you to all that have subscribed to the channel. We made it over the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is a monumental moment for YouTube creators. So thank you. And this was a way of us saying thank you. And we have other giveaways that we'll do. So much excitement coming. Now, I've said it before, but as we're living this out and doing different things being my wife and I, like, people, I'm excited. Somebody, when I came back on, somebody was like, man, God is really doing things with you, Rickey. And I was like, you know how you read stuff like that and it's uplifting, right? But you never really know, like, what somebody means by that. However, she was right. Not that, she has to be told she was right, but she was right. And some great things are in store, which I'm excited. Of course, we're going to vlog. We're going to talk about it because I believe that, there should be Christian representation on YouTube of what life as a believer looks like, how it's lived out. What are the benefits of it? What are things that you can expect, right? And so, there's some other stuff. Well, I'm going to just tell you. So, no, I'm not going to tell you. I'm not gonna tell you because it's my story for my wife to tell you. So maybe we'll talk. We'll have talk time with my wife on another video. But until next time, great people, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Again, thank you so much for your support, your subscriptions, your sharing it with people, telling other people to subscribe and all that good stuff, because it has helped us do this. But then more than anything, we want to show our appreciation by gifting you a journal that you are be able to participate in, experience, and at the end of it, have a deeper relationship with God, but not only a deeper relationship with God, but then also written experiences that you've had with God that you can live from for the rest of your life. So until then, well, whenever that ends, until next time, love you all. Peace.